friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make text zoom effect in Filmora X. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is go to sample colors, take a black sample color and drag it into the timeline. Make sure you have two video tracks, so only you can then make a text zoom effect, because you need two video tracks to make it. So go to the text, choose the default text, drag it into the timeline and write anything you want. Like I'm gonna write zoom. Choose the font. Make sure you choose bigger font like this and choose the size. I will go with 125. Press OK. And then next thing you're gonna do is take a snapshot of this, delete board of this and drag it into the timeline. Okay, you make sure you place it above the one video track, and next thing, right click on that snapshot, go to crop and zoom and then go to pan and zoom and make it small as much as you can, only middle part. Press OK. Another thing, import your video under which you want this text to zoom. I will go with this one. Drag it into the timeline and let's see. Yes, it's working, but not fully. So what the next step is, make it small, take a snapshot of last and drag it into the timeline. Okay, right click on that, go to crop and zoom and then go to pan and zoom. Choose the middle part and make it small. Make sure you choose only white portion, okay? Not black. Another thing, again right click on that, go to duration, change its duration from 5 to 10 fr. Yep. Press OK. Do the same thing with first snapshot, change its duration, but we're gonna change it from 5 to 3 seconds. Yes. Press OK and make a video equal to the snapshots. Now the last step, which is the very important step, is to double click on a first snapshot, go to the composite, change the blending mode into multiple. Press OK. Do the same with another one. Double click on that, change the blending mode into multiple. As you can see, it's working. Let's see it. Yes, it works. Thank you for watching the video.